don't think me ever put my mouth a ground and talk this, but me really never seen no money in the music.
I mean, I go give my 2 cents, and this is not me speaking for teacher, this is just my broad understanding of life. Saying, they say the definition of insanity is doing the same thing repeatedly and expecting a different result. There is no way that man could have go away and go.
Level. No, let's be real, people. From him return from prison.
Sneak up on me. Yes, people on a post. See them. Walk up behind Kartel and say, let me see the picture that you're looking on. Yes! Kartel look on us in the dark also.
You nation, we're going to about Adrian back in the building with another episode. And before getting into anything, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend, watch that video. Now, nation, we can see where the likes are. Shea did an interview a couple days ago, and she was asked a couple questions about Vybz Kartel and her music, about her music journey. So Shea was asked a question about getting paid royalty for her music, and Shea said she never get paid for her music. Nation, if Shea never get paid for her music, now we can see why Lisa was saying that Vybz Kartel who her, you know what I mean, but still a lot of people didn't know what she's talking about. Let's take a listen to the...
I don't think me ever put my mouth a ground and talk this, but me really never seen no money in the music. Me thought that before, who want vex, who want kill up themselves, but I don't, it's the fact. If I had seen money out of music, people would have known. Now, the thing is, when I say that, people automatically choose to put the blame on somebody. Me never say nobody make me not see money out of music. I said I never see it. Now, one, whenever I talk about royalties, I never understand the whole royalties thing. Me never understand. Me literally go up on live and people ask me, oh, you know, I make no money, you know, I get royalties. I said I don't understand how that go.
Okay.
Now, me saying that, them come with it again, twist it again, and say, Vybz Kartel never give me no royalties. I never said that. I said I never get none because I don't know what it's about. Now, fast forward a couple of years after I said that, me realized there's a difference between writers' royalties and performance royalties. Now, the thing is, I never signed up for my performance royalties because me speak publicly, so me not understand how it go. Me never know how it go. Now, I understand, so I realize, okay, I was not being paid royalties because I didn't sign up for my portion of the royalty, right? So me in the process of doing all of that right now. Okay. But as I said, people just like to find something for nitpick and for cuss and for complain and for murmur about. But me get too old in a life not to really pay them the money.
Well, if Shea never get paid for her royalty for all them songs she did with Vybz Kartel, it'd be a good time now if get her paperwork them together and get some money. Only think about that in the comment box, leave a comment. And we can also see where Shea was asked about how Vybz Kartel on the road and she's not with him. We also can see on the likes of Vanessa Bling is one more of them artists which a lot of people always mention, and where's Vanessa Bling out. Shea was asked what happened to Shea and Vybz Kartel, how they're not on tour together, and Shea have this to say. Let's take a listen.
Definitely. We see right now Kartel globally right now. He's like a phenomenon right now. Globally. He's probably in France right now performing as we're recording right now. How come we haven't seen you on any other show outside of Freedom Street with Kartel?
I'll be honest with you, you know. Because I'm telling you about my mouth. You have to ask him. You have to ask him. Because the last time I talked to him was when I was here. Before me go on back and, you know, much him say, you know, kind of married now and whatever. So I don't know if because I tell him so that's the direction me are going on. I'm not sure if that or what happened or because me tell him so I'm not really interested in the music no more like that or whatever. So me can't tell you what. So anytime you catch him and you hold him, ask him. People me doesn't know neither. Me doesn't know. Me I ask myself the same question, but whatever it is, I only him want know, because me never have it as me and him have no problem or we have no beef or nothing. But I just tell him to listen. Me married now and I don't know if he want me just focus on that part of life there. I'm not sure. Me can't speak for him. I cannot speak for him. Me just can't tell you from my perspective what I'm thinking.
Okay.
So I'm not sure.
Because you said you did your big thing. I've seen you on the show. Your part was a highlight. everybody that talked about Freedom Street, Sprice, Shea, but Jamal, there was a couple of them that were highlights. So I figured like, okay, you guys will probably pop up. I know sometimes it's a visa thing where, okay, you can't go States, so you might not be. But again, it was just a question. I'm pretty sure other people have that question in their mind. How come we didn't see Sheba again?
Yeah, people ask me it all the time. And me I tell them the truth. And me not gonna lie. Me I ask myself the same thing too, cause me just not know like uno either. I'm not sure.
I mean, I go give my 2 cents, and this is not me speaking for teacher. This is just my broad understanding of life. Saying, they say the definition of insanity is doing the same thing repeatedly and expecting a different result. There is no way that man could have go away and go for that portion of time and come out and a link with the same set of people in the same order. That no make no sense. Make it worse people when I carry their own weight. Popcorn doing own music. Black Rhino doing own music. Everybody where my link with right now do their own music. How man fi come out and I think about fi carry dead weight. And she says she not write her own songs and she expect royalty from these songs. So teacher they when they know him and not go carry no dead weight with him. Zane, I mean mean that in a no sort of way either. She said she doesn't write her own songs. Seen and then separate and apart from that, member say no, make we bring even Tanisha in the picture. I don't even speak on her, but let's bring her into the picture for a moment. Member say teacher have all 5-6 hours around him at one point and him at tear the 5-6 hours. A sadness and crisis that believe it or not, you know. Seen and then make it was Sheba was one of the more respectful one, but she never shy if I make it known so she and teacher in a certain things. Take into consideration the man, woman. You cannot do the same thing repeatedly and expect a different result. The man say one burner lifestyle. I just there so the thing there. You know have nothing for me. Me just think you no need to understand so people grew up saying, and as me said, there's no way a man could have go sit down for 13 years and have that much time on his hand for reflect. And there is no growth. Impossible. Yeah man, what we see right now at the matured version of teacher.
Well, nation, now we can understand why Sheba is not really on tour with Vybz Kartel. And we also can understand where other brother asked about Vybz Kartel. You know what I mean? Based on Vybz Kartel spent so much time in a jail, you know what I mean? Him no want really come out and have to drag people behind him. Him want to make sure say you know say yeah, this you want to do. You see me I say? Nation, don't tell me about what you think about this situation. I think because of what Sheba say, she done with music in a sense of way. Nation, now we can see where dancehall at a peak, a high peak. Where from Vybz Kartel come out of jail, we see a lot of artists get visa, a lot of artists get more show, a lot of artists ticket sales sell off and them thing there. You see me I say? So we just like the direction the dancehall are going and big thanks to Vybz Kartel for that put back dancehall upon him. We can hear what Ladi all say about the same situation. Yeah? Let's take a listen.
A level. No, let's be real, people. From him return from prison to now, the man has put dancehall upon another level. We know Kartel is selling out arenas. Not concert halls or no little hall. Arenas around the world. The man is breaking records, creating history. But not only that, since his return, we have seen other artists step up them game and them start doing shows of big numbers. Why is that? Because Kartel has put dancehall upon another level. And listen, me no care who want vex. If you want vex, you vex. That's your problem. That's not my problem. That's not Kartel's problem. That's not a popcorn problem. And this whole debate about King of Dancehall, let's be real. Right now, and not for right now, for a while now, Vybz Kartel has been the King of Dancehall. And what he is doing by putting dancehall upon another level and also bringing through so many artists with him as well, that's what a king does. A king is supposed to uplifting people. Yeah. So yeah man, me just want to say, yo man, big up Vybz Kartel and what you're doing, because right now, you put dancehall upon another level.
No, nation, you can't tell me if you don't agree with what White Yard here say. No, nation, top 5 Toronto goon get his throat slashed in the UK. You know what I mean? First of all, a lot of people that say top 5 dead, and some that say, yo, top 5 get stabbed up. But news confirmed by DJ Academic that top 5 only get 2 stabs. His throat slashed and he get a stab somewhere in his face. Let's take a listen.
Cut all the way here, right? And I think he might have another cut, but like his face was like kind of laid down on the pillow. So, you know, he said he could drink water. That's good. You drink water. You're gonna check him again in the morning. You know, I think he's on like a blood thinner or something like that. He lost a lot of blood. Yeah, nah. I think he's appreciative. I think he's appreciative of like he said to me. He said, "Yo," he's like, "Yo, Ack, I feel like I got a new chance at life." So I like clearly was thinking about he could die. You know what I mean? So like that was his words to me. He said, "Yo, Ack, I feel like I got a new chance at life." I'm like, yeah. Now top 5 is good. I spoke. He has like a big laceration. You know, it was kind of deep. He lost a lot of blood. He went through surgery. He's gonna have full recovery. That's a fact. But it's gonna take a little while. You know, but yeah, I think he said it was like 17 inches. But you know, but I ain't gonna lie, they for what it's worth, yes, somebody definitely went, you know, try to kill him. There's like mad rumors and like fake stuff about it. That video is not real. So that video that they're saying is top 5, like that's not top 5. He told me, he said he was at this after party spot. You know, he felt like people followed him, and he was taking a picture with a fan while he was going into the club. Because I asked him where his homies was at, and he's like, "Yo, I was with 20 people. I get to the spot. I get there earlier than them. I'm walking in the spot. I think they're already there. So really, I'm alone." And then, you know, he goes to take a picture with someone, and you know, somebody kind of ran up on him. You know, but again, I'm gonna just throw the allegedly on there because I know everybody like running with the false things. This got nothing to do with the UK. Like, respectfully, it did happen in the UK. Has nothing to do with the UK. It's a good meme. That's what I'm saying. Online will create a whole story, and it's completely wrong. It has nothing to do with him saying earlier in the day, "There's no like killers out." That has nothing to do with that. Nothing to do with that. There's some whole other shit. You know, just not that. So, I know people want to believe it's like, "Yo, the UK slid." No, respectfully, he was there. He was there from days. Like, you know, there was nothing, no bad blood. I don't know if you know, but he just know what it's not. He know what it's not. Okay, it's not some random UK guys that attacked him because he said there was no killing. Nah.